Malaysia's diverse industrial landscape encompasses key sectors such as tourism, textiles, machinery, chemicals, agriculture, and electronics. Each faces unique challenges influenced by the country's varied geography. Enter EDDY Pump, a renowned provider of pumping and dredging solutions catering to Malaysia's dominant industries. With state-of-the-art technology, EDDY Pump offers tailored solutions for seamless material transfer and infrastructure maintenance. EDDY Pump's product range includes submersible slurry pumps, self-priming slurry pumps, flooded suction pumps, and innovative dredging equipment. Malaysia's geographic diversity, transportation infrastructure requirements, climate variability, environmental concerns, and logistical efficiency necessitate inventive solutions, a challenge EDDY Pump is equipped to address. EDDY Pump's hydraulic dredging equipment effectively manages sediment, upholds infrastructure integrity, meets environmental standards, and adapts to various terrains across Malaysia. Strategically located in Kuala Lumpur and Johor Bahru, EDDY Pump is poised to efficiently serve Malaysia's industries. EDDY Pump is the preferred partner for Malaysia's pumping and dredging equipment requirements. Explore our cutting-edge technology today to navigate Malaysia's diverse industrial landscape successfully. Opt for EDDY Pump for adaptable and sustainable solutions tailored to Malaysia's dominant sectors. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.